Hey guys, welcome back to Project Vet YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm standing in the new garage. No more meth shed to work under. So I'm just gonna show you all around. I apologize for the delay of videos, but I've been pretty busy. You know, life gets in the way, but we're back. So I want to show you all around. So this is it overall. I love it. 20 by 25. There's a few things I would have changed, but it's fine. One thing is the door. I probably would have went just a foot wider, maybe by 10 instead of 9. Also, number 2 is this. This is the ramp that they made for me because it is a 4.5, 5-inch thick pad of concrete. So they left the fill dirt, that's clay, gravel, dirt mix. And you can see it holds water. It sinks in really bad and it tracks in a lot of dirt. But other than that, not too bad. Here's my toolbox. It's a Husky toolbox. Has a power strip on both sides, which you can't really see that one, which really is gonna help when I have power ran. I don't have any power yet, but I do have this extension cord that's hooked up to my swamp fan right now, and it helps a lot. This is gonna be my little detail corner. I have my vacuum, pressure washer, microfiber crate. This is a new creeper my wife got me for my birthday. I absolutely love it. It has helped a lot so far. It has 2 lights on it. Very nice. Clifford is in here. He had to get a spot in the garage. I have the new header on. I have the new cats on. I got to wire it into the cat back and he'll be done for now. And I have to see the engine light comes back or not. And then the main focus of the channel, the Corvette. It is currently on vehicle dollies, so I can push out of the way to get Clifford in and out. This will probably be not next up, but very soon I'll get back to this. This is probably the next project and get him up and going again. I miss riding quite a bit, so I want to get back on it. Got my little air compressor, my bicycle that I need to use more often, and then my Pit Boss Pellet Grill. Once again, no power, so I don't have any lights yet. Thinking about doing 2 or 3 lights up top. I would like some power outlets. Again, maybe 3 with 1 220 outlet in case I get a welder or something. And then I would also really like to insulate it because it does get very, very warm in here. But with the swamp fan going, it's not horrible. The back window, I'll probably use as an exhaust window and put an exhaust fan through there because it does get pretty bad when I have a vehicle running trying to clean things up. So yeah, tell me what y'all think of the new garage. I'm very happy with it. I still have part of the mess shed that's going to be used for my wife's chickens, but I still have to get some stuff in here and organize it, but we're moving along pretty well. Yeah guys, that's going to wrap up this quick video. I just wanted to show the new garage. Once again, I apologize for the lack of uploads. I've been really busy, tied up, but we got things done, and that's what matters. My next project will be my Subaru WRX. I got a new front strut and coil assembly for both sides. It ate up my tire really bad, so I had to buy new tires, so I just went back with stock. It was a cheaper option. I still want to go full suspension later on, but for right now, it will work just fine. So again, I appreciate y'all just checking out the video. Thanks. Bye.